Good morning my dear students, welcome back in our science online class. In previous video we already have learned about the asexual propagation, okay, or that is called the reproduction in plants. So in that we already have learned about the natural propagation by stem, natural propagation by leaf. Now today we are going to learn two more types, that is the natural propagation by root. Now there are few plants, so their roots are used as vegetative parts to grow into the new plants. Okay, कुछ plants के roots use किए जाते हैं उनको new plants में convert करने के लिए. For example, the sweet potato. Sweet potato is an example. Dahlia give rise to a new plants from the freshly cut roots. So their roots are used to grow new individual plants. Okay, so this kind of reproduction or that propagation is called as the natural propagation by roots. Means we are propagating that plants. We are converting the part of the plant into new individual. Okay students, so that is called the propagation. Now artificial means what? Here human being interfere is there, sir. See, means human being going to involve, so that is called the artificial man-made vegetative propagation. So what is first one? So grafting is the first artificial propagation method. Sometime the question may come in NSO exam. Which of the following is artificial vegetative propagation? Okay, stem, root, grafting. Okay, so you will get this option. So grafting is an example of artificial vegetative propagation. So what is mean by grafting? Kalam, you know, kalam. Yeah, this word is there actually. Kalam karne. Actually grafting means what? So in this method, a new variety is obtained from mother plant. Underline students. Otherwise I will send these notes. You can use these notes for NSO exam also. Okay. In this in this method, a new variety is obtained, means a new characters are produced, variety is obtained from the mother plant. कुछ नए characters इसमें add कर सकते हैं हम. Okay, that is called the variety. So in this process, a detached part of one plant, means a cut part from one plant, is fixed or inserted into the stem of the root of system of another plant. इस मेथड में क्या होता है स्टूडेंट्स? जो भी प्लांट है, ओके, उसके जो कैरेक्टरिस्टिक्स है अगर अच्छे लगते हैं तो हम उस प्लांट के पार्ट को, स्टेम को कट करते हैं और उस स्टेम को, सी एज यू कैन सी हियर, दिस इज कॉल्ड द स्टेम. सो हियर द पार्ट, a part detached from one plant, whatever selected plant is there, so select the part or the stem of that plant which has the bud. Already I said bud उसको होनी चाहिए क्योंकि वही part grow होने वाला है. Then you cut this part which has the bud, and then that part you have to insert. Can you see here marking? You have to insert or fixed into the stem or root of the another plant. जिस प्लांट में आपको वो ऐड करने हैं कैरेक्टर्स, उसको उसमें आप उस प्लांट के स्टेम को कट करके ये प्रीवियस पार्ट यू हैव टू इंसर्ट और फिक्स्ड इन दैट स्टेम और रूट, and then with the help of thread or sellotape you can tie these joint और द कनेक्शन. ओके, आपको फिक्स करके वो आपको रोल करना है. and then these parts grow into the new individual and shows the desired characters, new characteristics. Okay, so this method is called the grafting method. Okay, understood students? So grafting method means what? In grafting method, the one part of the plant detached or cut and it is fixed into the another part of the stem, that is called the grafting. Clear? Now layering. Layering is another method students. What is mean by layering? Layers क्या होते हैं? Okay, now see, layering is what? This method is called layering. Okay, wait. In layering method, a young plant or young branch is bent towards the ground. See here, this is the plant. Okay, and this plant's young branch, newly arised branch from the stem, that is called the young branch. So this young branch is bent towards the ground and covered with moist soil, as you can see here in this figure. Okay, see here, this is newly branch. Okay, newly branch arised from the stem. So these branch are bent towards the ground and it is covered with moist soil. It is covered with moist soil. So due to covering, what happens students? After some days, new roots develop from the covered part. So see, whatever this stem is there under the ground. So after few days, means 1 week or maybe 2 weeks. So after few days, this stem produces roots under the ground. Okay. So automatically the roots develop from the covered part, or which is the part which present under the soil. This is called the layer process. This is called layer process, and the formation is called the layering. And this process, this complete process is called layering. Okay. In layering, only one thing you have to keep in mind: the newly branch of the plant bent towards the soil and it is covered with the moist soil. After few days, that stem bears or develop the roots under the ground. This process is called layer. Okay, and the complete process is called layering process. The branch is then separated. So this branch, you see, this branch completely develop into the new plant. You see, the branch then separated from the parent plant is allowed to grow into the new independent. So this is your parent plant and these two are your new individual plant. So this method is called the layering method. Okay, so layering and grafting, these two methods are artificial methods of propagation of plants. And one more method is there that already have discussed with you, that is the cutting of stem of rose plant. That method name is cutting method. Okay, so we use the stem of good rose plant, and that stem, if we sow in the soil, so that stem grow into the new individual. So that method is called the cutting method. So these are the three methods: cutting, grafting and layering. These are the three artificial methods of propagation of plants. Okay students, so I hope you understood asexual propagation in plants. In next video we will learn more about the sexual reproduction. Okay students, so today we stop here. Remaining part will continue in our next video. Take care.